Hi everyone, Steve here from Sure Trading. Now we all know that you can make money when the markets are going up, but did you know that it's possible to make money when the markets are going down? Now, as strange as this sounds, it's definitely something you can do, and in this short video I'm going to explain to you exactly how it works. But first, let me briefly explain derivative products. Derivative products are financial investments that are derived from an underlying asset. Basically, they are used by investors to make price bets as to whether the price of the underlying asset or security will rise or fall. You get derivatives of all the main types of things you can trade, like equities or shares. Those are your Anglo Golds, your Woolworths, your First Rands, your Naspers, etc. You get ETFs, these are things like Satrix 40. Indexes, these are your Allsies, FTSE, Dow Jones, S&P 500, etc. Commodities are gold, silver, oil, Brent, etc. And then you get Forex, which is foreign currencies. And then you get the newest one, which is cryptocurrencies. These are Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. Now, the process when trading derivatives is exactly the same as, for instance, buying or selling shares, except that because you don't physically own the share, commodity, forex, etc., and are merely trading on the price, it allows you to make money in both an upward and a downward trending market. Making money in a downwards market or shorting the market works like this. In every transaction there are three parts: the trader, that's you, the broker, and the market. Step 1, the trader borrows 10 shares from the broker. Step 2, the trader then sells these 10 shares into the market for 500 Rand. In step 3, the trader waits for the price of the shares to go down, and once this happens, the trader then buys the 10 shares back from the market for 400 Rand. And then he returns these 10 shares to the broker and keeps the 100 Rand profit. Now, in real life, it's luckily not that technical of a process. All you have to do is enter a trade by selling instead of buying, and you are shorting the market and making money when it goes downwards. So in this example, you are entering high by selling at 500 Rand, and then you are exiting low by buying at 400 Rand, and it is known as a short position. Please visit our website at suretrading.co.za for more info on our subscription service, which includes all of our training courses designed for beginners all the way to advanced traders, our strategy series, which teaches you the ways that our clients make consistent profits on the market. Along with this, you get more than 6 hours of live online meetings a week and access to our chat group, where all of our traders share tips and strategies and resources and all learn from each other. Our constantly growing community is all you need to plug into in order to learn how to trade successfully on the stock market, and you get all of this for only 500 Rand a month. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to visit our website for all of the details.